Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG daily weekly time frame. So PCLN got that bear break of the inside bar right at the open. Break of 1750 was the bear signal. Dropped down to the next support, 1727, and the bulls did buy some of that dip. Watch the hourly time frame. The high of the bounce is resistance. The low of the day is support. Break the high of the bounce tomorrow. The bulls have continuation. Middle Bollinger Band on the daily continues to drop down, rejecting the price. And this is the pullback that we were looking for. It just took a little bit of market consolidation and tech sector consolidation to get it. So we're looking for a pullback into the low 1700s. We're looking for a higher low compared to the low of the bounce after the bulls ran out of momentum. And then we're going to look for the range to tighten up. Weekly time frame is rejecting from exponential resistances. Topping out, higher low has to form for the bulls. NVDA all-out dump. Semiconductors getting crushed today, as was any name associated with cryptocurrency, as the temporary top for cryptocurrency appears to be in. All-out dump. In the past couple days, we were saying a bit of a red flag. The market was extremely strong at all-time highs. NVDA was not participating. All-out dump. The last 3 days of downside have taken out an entire 6 weeks of upside. Support is down here at 193.68. Then there's a little gap at 186.60. Bears are in full control of the daily time frame. Look at the high of the hourly bounce. That's key resistance. And the weekly time frame, middle Bollinger Band support approaching in the 183s as well. Tesla on the daily time frame, also a bear break. Key support is down here at 300 psychological. And then the low of the pullback, 290.263. The bear flag on the weekly time frame is absolutely still possible. If we lose this 50-week moving average this week, that will be notable, and we'll be watching for the potential of a breakdown below 300 and lower lows. So keep an eye on Tesla bearish, especially if the tech sector and the market are going to begin consolidating. That's going to be a decent setup for the bears. And already, just one bear day taking out 2 weeks of bullish upside is definitely notable, and shows the power that the bears have and the lack of support if that bear volume does show up. Netflix, all-out dump. Tech sector getting crushed today in a big way. The high of the bounce on the hourly is key resistance tomorrow. The low of today is key support. We bounce off the 100-day moving average of 184.31. There's a gap down at 179.70 if we continue to drop down. Any tech name that breaks the low of today tomorrow will be a clear lead bear. Any tech name that breaks the high of the bounce from the afternoon will show bullish action and recovery. Weekly middle Bollinger Band support has held pretty much the entire year. We closed just below it here back in June, but we're testing it now, 185.96. Higher low on the weekly will be maintained as long as 176.55 support holds. That's the key support on the weekly time frame the bulls are watching. CMG insider trading knowledge yesterday. All you have to do is look at the 5-minute chart. Very clear. When you run $8 in 1 hour at the end of the day with huge bull volume, and then news comes out the next day and you gap up, it's very clear a lot of people knew a lot of stuff. So it's the most bullish name that I saw in the market today, filling the gap back to the upside. 305 resistance, followed by 318.25. We're now filling the gap back up. We have our low of the pullback, high of the bounce, higher low, and a higher high, thanks to this news, and thanks to all of those who knew that the news was coming and closed it at the high of the day yesterday with all that momentum. Weekly time frame above the exponential moving averages. Bull MAC decross trying to follow through. Middle Bollinger Band key resistance at 310. We'll be keeping an eye on that level. So that's what we've got as we head into tomorrow. It's all about the tech sector tomorrow and the hourly time frames. We'll see you then.